Past perfect and simple past are two tenses used to talk about events in the past. The past perfect is used to describe an action that happened before another action in the past. The simple past is used to describe an event that happened at a specific time in the past. Understanding the difference helps us clearly explain the order in which things happened. Past perfect describes an action completed before another past action, while simple past describes an action that happened at a known time in the past. For example, in the sentence, she had packed her stuff before she took the train, the packing happened first, then taking the train. Simple past just tells the event without showing the order of two events. When talking about two past actions, past perfect shows which action happened first, and simple past shows which happened later. Examples include, by the time she arrived, we had finished dinner. They had left before I got there. This helps listeners understand the sequence of events clearly. Try completing these sentences using past perfect or simple past. When he woke up, his mother had already prepared breakfast. We went to London because the Queen had visited the city before. Before they left, they had finished their homework. She had not seen the movie because she already watched it. He arrived late because the train had already left. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs given. For example, we had already eaten dinner when John came home. This exercise helps practice the correct use of past perfect and simple past to describe actions in the right order. Past perfect is used for actions completed before another past action. Simple past is used for actions completed at a specific past time. Past perfect uses had plus the past participle, while simple past uses the regular past form or irregular past form of the verb. Signal words like before and after can help identify which tense to use. Here are the answers for the exercise. We had already eaten dinner when John came home. When I arrived at the station, the train had already left. She had finished her homework before she went out. They had not seen the movie because they had already watched it. He lost his keys after he got home. Knowing the correct answers confirms your understanding. Past perfect shows one past action happened before another past action. Simple past tells us about a completed action at a specific past time. Using these two tenses together helps describe a clear sequence of events in the past and improves storytelling clarity.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.